Hi, biologists. So today is Tuesday, May 26, 2020. We are working on our revision bundles for Unit 1. We are on mini QPA 3. So I'll jump right in. So you go to your stream for your Google Classroom. You go to classwork, and it should be at the very top, tip top, Unit 1. You go to mini QPA 3 bundle map. So we already talked about what cells are and how they divide. So now we're going to be thinking about what germs are. So this should be something that's on everyone's minds, and especially with this pandemic. So I found this a little updated version of what we did in class. So if you're redoing this, getting some stuff done and it's not exactly the same, that's why. So we're reading what are germs. So what are bacteria, viruses, fungi, different things that can infect us and hurt us, right? So think about that. You're watching this bundle map video introduction, so that's great. So let's get that done. So you're already a step in the right direction. And then now you are working on completing the steps. So thinking about why germs are spreading so quickly, you're going to play a pandemic game and see how quick it is to spread germs. So similar to the pandemic that they say all this crazy stuff that they're saying on the news with like one person can infect like 10 different people. Think about that. So if one person can sneeze and infect 10 different people on a room, then the virus can spread exponentially. So it's not just like one person infects one person. It's one person infects a potentially unlimited amount of people, depending on how many people they see, right? And if they're in a giant crowd walking through Times Square, they're walking through the park in Springfield, they're walking downtown in Springfield at the casino, they're able to spread their germs, the bacteria or the virus that's in their body, the virus in this case, because COVID is a virus, they're able to spread that to people just by like getting, walking by them. If they sneeze, if they breathe a certain amount of virus particles out, other people can inhale that or get that on their hands and then touch their eyes, their nose, their mouth, or whatever, and then become infected. So it's so easy to spread stuff like this now that we're seeing, right? Then you're going to explore the CDC website and make sure you're determining, right, so how is the virus spreading, who's at risk, and how do we prevent the spread? So there's a lot of good information out there. This virus is interesting because they still don't know a lot about it. They aren't able to exactly say, yes, this is exactly how the virus behaves, because they're seeing a lot of different new stuff pop up. So it's really interesting. And then there's video to watch about the coronavirus, and make sure you're taking notes on what's important. So a lot of this I'm leaving up to you guys. So I'm not going to guide you in what I think is important. You guys need to be able to decide watch a video and what's the most important parts. And mini QPA 3 is you're picking a virus or some sort of epidemic disease, COVID included, if that's something that's interesting to you. You can also do triple E, which is something that was more relevant back when we did this originally in September and October. Or you can do AIDS, whatever you want, just some sort of bacterial or viral infection that spreads really rapidly between people. So you are doing research on that. So let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.